Hello all, today we will see reading and writing a text file in a Python. The Python use inbuilt function to read and write file. So in Python, there is a couple of built-in functions such as open, write, and read. So we don't require any module to import into the Python. We already know everything is considered as an object. So file is also an object. So let's see how we can use IPython and Jupyter to handle a file. So here I will write a simple function. Write file. I will give a file name test1.txt. This is a simple function which is used to write a file. So in that file, I will write hi all. Today we will see a reading and writing text file in Python, and I will execute this code. It has executed and we got output writing test1.txt. okay, it has created a file. So how to identify where our file is placed? So we have a keyword pwd. It will tell us the file is available on below path. Right now we have to read a file, but before that we need to open that file. So for we have a function called open. So this function is also takes argument. We can call as a parameter also. For that I have the file1. Okay, I have used the file1 variable, and I will use open method to that open that text file. The file name is test1.txt. I will use single quote file1.txt. right here I will execute that code. File1.read. So after open, I will read that file. Okay, we got the same sentence and output that we have written in the file. Okay. If I will use file1.read again, so it has given us a blank because our cursor when we use the file1.read, our cursor goes end of the line, means there is a nothing to read that cursor. That's why it has written us a blank, right? So if we want to take our cursor start of the line, so for that Python has the method file1.seek. 60, our cursor will go start of the line. So again we use file1.read and we got a complete sentence. One function will allow us to only read a file, but for a write we need to give a sort of permission to write. So we pass the argument w to write over the file. For example, let's see with example. I will use file1 equal to open test1.txt. As I said, I will use one argument to write. So we are giving a permission to write that file. Okay, here we open the file. I executed this code. I will take a new, so file1.write, and I will write here, this is write a method. Let's execute. Okay, now here check file1.read. okay, it is end of the cursor. So for that we will use seek method and file1.read. okay, this is the write method. This is how it has overwrite that previous sentence to new sentence. This is how we can use the read and write method to for the text file in Python. Okay guys, thanks for watching this video. Please try it with the different examples